Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find and highlight duplicates in Microsoft Excel. So let's have a look now. First, open your Excel worksheet that contains the data where you want to highlight duplicates. Now select the range of cells or the column where you suspect duplicates values might exist. Now navigate to the Home tab and from the Styles group, click on Conditional Formatting. A drop-down menu will appear. Now in the drop-down menu, select Highlight Cells Rules. Another menu will appear to the side. In the side menu, select Duplicate Values. A Duplicate Values box will appear. Now you can choose how you want to format the duplicate cells. Now click OK. Excel will instantly highlight the duplicates values based on your chosen formatting. That's for today. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share and hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.